Let us know about expression of the concentration of a solution. First one is mass percent or weight percent. Second one is mole fraction. Third one is molarity. Fourth one is molality. Let us know what you mean by mass percent. Mass percent is equal to mass of the solute into 100 divided by mass of the solution. Let us take a problem on mass percent. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. Solution for this problem is mass percent of A is equal to mass percent of mass of A into 100 divided by mass of the solution, which is equal to mass of A is 2 gram into 100 divided by mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is 18 gram of water plus 2 gram, which finally becomes equal to 10%, which is the mass percent of the solute. Let us know about mole fraction. Mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. If a substance A dissolves in substance B and their number of moles are Na and Nb respectively, then the mole fractions of A and B are given as mole fraction of A, that is x1, is equal to number of moles of A divided by number of moles of the solution, which is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Similarly, mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of B divided by number of moles of the solution, which is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Note, x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, which implies x1 divided by x2 is equal to n1 divided by n2. Let us know about molarity, denoted by capital M. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of the solute in 1 liter of the solution. Thus, molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Let us take a problem on molarity. How much volume of 1 molar NaOH solution be taken to prepare 0.2 molar NaOH solution? If 1 mole is present in 1 liter or 1000 ml, then 0.2 mole is present in 1000 ml into 0.2 mole divided by 1 mole, which is equal to 200 ml. Thus, 200 ml of 1 molar NaOH is taken and enough water is added to make it 1 liter. General formula for molarity is equal to m1 into v1 divided by m2 into v2, where m is molarity and v is volume. Here m1 is 0.2, v1 is 1000 ml, m2 is 1.0, v2 should be calculated. Substituting the values in the formula, 0.2 molar into 1000 ml is equal to 1 molar into v2. Therefore, v2 is equal to 0.2 molar into 1000 ml divided by 1 molar, which is equal to 200 ml. Note, the number of moles of solute, that is NaOH, was 0.2 in 200 ml and it has remained the same, that is 0.2, even after dilution, as we have changed just the amount of the solvent and have not done anything with respect to NaOH. Let us take problem on molarity. Calculate The molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. Since molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liters, number of moles of NaOH is equal to mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of NaOH, which is equal to 4 gram divided by 40 gram, which becomes equal to 0.1 mole. Thus, molarity is equal to number of moles of NaOH divided by volume of solution in liter, that is 0.1 mole divided by 0.25 liter, which becomes equal to 0.4 molar. Note, the molarity of a solution depends upon temperature because volume of a solution is temperature dependent. Let us know about molality. Molality is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. Thus, molality is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. Let us take problem on molality. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per liter. Calculate molality of the solution. Molarity is 3. Mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution is 3 into 58.5, which is equal to 175.5 gram. Mass of 1 liter solution is equal to 1000 into 1.25 gram, which is equal to 1250 gram, because density is 1.25 gram per liter. Mass of water in the solution is equal to 1250 minus 175.5, which is equal to 1074.5 gram. Molality is equal to number of moles of the solute, that is 3 mole, divided by mass of solvent in kg, that is 1.0745 kg, which becomes equal to 2.79 molal. Note, the molality of a solution does not change with temperature since mass remains unaffected with temperature. Thank you.